everyone, welcome back to my new vlog, and for today's video is our outfit for the day. So, kay tugnaw na kaayo jud kay padulong na ang winter. The winter is coming. So, this is our outfit for the day. Here you go. As you can see, black jacket na very heavy. Then double ni siya mga kalalab. So, this is a double jacket. So, and white sweatshirt, and another t-shirt also. So I need to have another t-shirt, and of course my pants black, and my boots it's black. So, and my bag is this one. Not black. I love this one because I can possible also handbag and sling bag, also my bags. And I have my necklace. Of course, my husband giving me this necklace. And I have my earrings, and I have no lipsticks now. So this is our outfit for the day. And I tie my hair because it's super cold. And plus, I need to tie my hair because my baby is doing a breastfeeding. So yeah. Then yeah, possibility for closing this one, this jacket, the black jacket, a very heavy jacket. And this is a double jacket. So yeah, cozy, like this. So, possible siya close. And look. There you go. And more close pag if you want to be more close and close. So, but I don't like to close too much. So, I need to open. So, I like more like this. So, as you can see, there you go. And my bag. Here you go. Thank you for watching.